Ever wanted to craft your dream video in a few minutes? InVideo AI might be worth a try. It claims to be a versatile browser-based tool that simplifies video creation for platforms like YouTube and social media. And you can start editing right away with no prior experience. To see how good it really is and walk you through how to use it, I'm here with this InVideo AI tutorial and review. So let's see how capable InVideo really is. Now, I can't cover all their AI features because there are over 30 of them, but that's okay because some of them are pretty simple. Things like the video resizer tool or brightness editor, for example. But there are some more advanced tools too, like the AI talking avatar. Anyway, I've picked the ones that are most useful for my project today. Let's start with the AI video generator, since it's kind of their main feature. You can either type in a prompt or choose one of the preset options. I want to focus on a specific theme, which is a promotional video for a Christmas card handwriting service. Let's pick the 30-second video format and type in a short prompt, since the idea is pretty straightforward. After clicking on continue, I get a pop-up where I need to select whether I want my video to be generated using credits, which requires a premium subscription, or the option to use stock media, which is available with the free version. I wanted to check out InVideo's free capabilities first to see how much their free stock media can do. Generating was pretty quick. It took under 5 minutes to complete, but results are the most important thing, right? And, well, to be honest, they were pretty disappointing. And even after giving it a few more tries with more detailed prompts, it didn't get much better. For my specific project, I have to say it was a failure. The concept it generated was generally correct, but it added unnecessary things like mentioning specific discounts. The worst thing though is that the end result is basically just a moving pictures compilation. And besides that, there was this huge watermark at all times. Though you do have the option to remove it before downloading if you decide to opt in for premium, which is not very budget friendly, but more on that later. Next, I tried to make an animated AI film about the same subject matter with InVideo's free version. And what it made wasn't really animated, at least most of it wasn't. And it used similar or even identical stock images as the first video I tried. It just shows how limited their free version really is. So let's see the differences in their premium option and if that was better. First, the video did take slightly longer to generate, and then the overall result was better and there was no watermark, of course, because you're paying not to have it. Plus, it actually listened to the style reference I gave it in my prompt. That said, the final output still suffered from some of the same issues, like mentioning specific discounts. Good news is there's a way to fix that and change parts of the voiceover and other things you don't like. After the video is generated, you can press on Edit right here. Now you'll have the option to change out all the media used in the video. There's also a music tab, which lets you change the background music track or even upload your own. Now, the next tab is what I was wanting most, being able to edit the script however you want. For example, I can remove the mentioned discounts and include my own if I want to. Lastly, the Settings tab has presets for overlays, transitions, subtitles, and text. There's also a simple audio mixer that's enough to get the job done for casual videos. Overall, while there aren't that many post-editing options, InVideo's Premium has the core functionalities, but it pales in comparison to what HeyGen AI-generated videos made. HeyGen has much more functionality, including top-notch AI avatar options and some nice additional features like video translation. If you want to check it out for yourself, I've got another review on HeyGen AI, and if you want to give that one a try, I've got a discount for it. To get it, just use my link from the description. Now, InVideo says it has an AI script generator too, and yeah, it does in a way. Basically, this tool just draws upon the same text-to-video AI and then extracts the script from the video it generates. It works, but to be honest, there are better tools for this, especially because generating a script this way takes an unnecessarily long time. InVideo is much better for creating a video if you already have a script. Let me show you how that's done. Go back to Create AI Video and find Script to AI Video. Then simply select video length and paste in your script. At the bottom, once again, you can select other parameters like voice actor or style, but once again, that will only work properly if you have the premium version. Again, taking a look at the stock media free option first, the results do leave much to be desired. You get changing pictures over your voiceovers, and though the characters do switch, their voices remain the same. Overall, the entire video is a mess, to be honest. Next, I wanted to try out InVideo's voice generator, and I found it uses the same tool as the script video generator. I guess maybe InVideo sees this as a different feature? To be honest, it does work. It's just that, again, it takes way longer than it should because it generates video too, even if you don't need it. If you want a more capable voice generator, I suggest checking out ElevenLabs AI. Their primary focus is on voice, so no surprise, it's a vastly more advanced tool. It has voice cloning, instant dubbing, and more. I've got a review and tutorial for that one too, so make sure to check it out. And if you do decide to give them a try, to get the best price, again, check out the links in the description. All right, back to InVideo AI features. The Slideshow Maker is a similar story to the voice generator. Selecting it brings us to the same text-to-video tool, and we have to find what we want from there. I could expand more on their tools, but you probably get the main theme by now. Even though on the surface it looks like they have tons of AI features, it ends up that they really don't. Let's talk through some positives though. If you want a tool for some casual, quick, and easy to use editing on literally zero prior experience, InVideo can be useful. It allows you to seamlessly adjust narration and background music with access to a library of royalty-free music tracks or the option to upload your own. You could access that during the video editing phase after the video has been generated. The selection of royalty-free audio is also pretty huge, which is nice to see, but considering you can also upload any audio you want, it's just a minor plus. Another thing that can be seen as a positive is that InVideo AI is entirely cloud-based. Yes, that is how most AI tools work these days, so it's kind of expected, but what it means in this case is that it eliminates the need for bulky downloads or any reliance on high-performance hardware. However, at the same time, InVideo's performance depends on a stable internet connection, as it's an online video editor, which can be a drawback in areas with unreliable connectivity. And despite these strengths, navigating InVideo's tools can be confusing at times, thanks mostly to their advertising of how many different tools they've got, when in reality, it's just the same ones over and over again. If you want to give InVideo a shot, let's see how much it'll cost you. There are 4 different subscription options. The first one is the free plan. It includes 10 minutes of AI video generation per week, 10 gigabytes of storage, access to 2.5 million plus standard media assets, and 4 weekly exports with an InVideo watermark. So that's mostly for exploring the platform and having some fun. And sadly, that's going to be the only way you can test it for free. All the premium plans have steep pricing, but that's not the only issue. There are no free trials for the premium version or money-back guarantees either, so once you invest, there's no going back. The Plus plan costs $28 a month if billed annually, or $35 monthly. This does remove the watermark and includes 50 minutes of AI video generation, 100 gigabytes of storage, 80 iStock assets, and 2 voice clones. The Max plan at $48 a month with an annual subscription increases the limits on everything except the generative credits, which is a bummer since that's basically the most important thing here. However, that's still not their most expensive plan. The generative plan comes at $96 a month if you subscribe for a year. It has all the same stuff as the Max plan, but also includes 900 generative credits instead of 60. While that's a lot, and basically means an unlimited use for one user, paying nearly $100 a month, you'd expect to get the limit lifted completely. Alright, that covers my InVideo AI tutorial and review. Overall, it was a disappointing experience. Sure, it can be a useful tool for casual use for complete beginners, but for the most part, it was just empty promises that didn't deliver. Luckily, there are better AI tools that can do what InVideo promises. I've got some suggestions on the screen, as well as links in the description. That would be all in this AI video tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.